Welcome to Berry Bird Boutique and Gallery in downtown Schenectady, New York. My store is at the lower end of State Street, and it's full of lots of interesting stuff. It's colorful, unique items and artwork that you probably haven't seen before. So let me take you around and show you a couple of things, and trust me, there's more to see. So if you ever come in, there'll be plenty to look at. I mean, look at that. You don't need that, but that's a great, amusing thing. I love these bags. I carry a bunch of these with me. You know, like this? Huh? All these Beatles handshake music boxes. And then I have this one, which you can make your own music box. These are the strips. You punch these. Like this little device comes with that, and it comes with a hole puncher. Land of the Rising Cat. So it's a whole book about Japan's fascination with cats. Extendable fly swatter. I mean, that's a useful item. Yeah. Who wants a fly in their house, you know? It's a bottle opener, and it feels like it's got like a nice weight to it. So many stuffed animals. You don't want to have naked squirrels running around in your yard.